This video will cover the Parent and Guardians tab on the Enterprise version. This is where you can add, edit, or delete your parents and guardians. If you are the district admin, make sure you select your school first. And then you want to click on Add, Edit, Delete. If you already imported your parents, you will see them at the bottom here. You can edit them or delete them individually by clicking the pencil and paper next to each parent. You can also link them to a student through here. You will just need to enter the last name or the student ID number and then link them to the student. Once you've made your changes, you want to go ahead and click on Save Changes. This will take you back. If you wish to add a parent or a guardian, you can click on Add Person at the top. You will need to fill in the information for that parent or guardian. Anything marked with an asterisk is a required field, so you need to put the first and last name. If you do want to add them to a specific school, make sure that you select the school at the bottom. And you also can link them to a student as well by typing in the student's last name or ID and then clicking on Link Student to Adult. Once you've made your changes here, you want to go ahead and click on Save Changes. And just as a reminder, if you are trying to set up alert notifications for parents for the Students Plus, you would want to put in their email address here as well. Okay, so we're going to go back to the Parents and Guardians tab here. The stuff at the bottom here is going to be your miscellaneous settings, so such as printing. The first one here, excuses must be given for early dismissals. If you are using the Parent and Guardian early dismissal sign out, then you want to select yes if you want to select the excuse or purpose for the early dismissal. The next one is print pictures on the passes. You can select to have the pictures printed on the passes for checkout. If you're using a signature pad, you can logo or mascot on the signature requirement. You can also choose to take a hidden photo or have the user pose for the photo if you're using a webcam. You can also allow visitor check-in. This will allow parents and guardians to check in as a visitor. If you're using a touchscreen, you can turn on the display limited pick list. The display limited pick list is a setting that will limit the amount of names that you can see during the checkout process. The only way that you will be able to see any of the names is to start typing in the last name of your own. The next option is to have the primary parent or guardian pick up the student. If you select yes, then it will only allow the primary parent or guardian to pick up the student. Under that, we have allow primary parent or guardian to enter adults who can pick up student for early dismissal. This will allow the parents to enter adults who can pick up the student using the sign-in, which will use the parents and guardians' names. And the login link can be found under the login links in School Check-in. You can also have the setting turned on to be notified via email when the primary parent or guardian makes a change to the student's pickup list. And the person who will be notified is the district admin or the school admin as well. Once you've made any changes, you want to go ahead and click on Save Changes. And that concludes this video. To access additional videos, please visit us at schoolcheckin.com.